Armenia, a civilization the world is rediscovering. In today's fast moving global world, where destinations compete for attention, very few places can truly claim to offer something timeless. Armenia is one of those rare nations. This is not just a destination, it is a civilization. And today, the world is not discovering Armenia for the first time, it is rediscovering it with a new perspective. Armenia stands among the oldest continuously inhabited regions in the world. Its identity is shaped not by decades but by centuries of history, faith, and cultural continuity. From ancient architecture to spiritual landmarks, every element reflects depth and resilience. Places like Tateb Monastery are not just tourist attractions, they are symbols of a civilization that has preserved its identity through time. And in today's world, that kind of continuity is rare. One of Armenia's greatest strengths is that its culture is not staged, it is lived. Traditions are part of daily life. Cuisine is rooted in history. Festivals reflect authentic identity. This is not a curated experience designed for tourists. This is a culture that exists naturally and invites the world to experience it as it is. And that is exactly what today's global traveler is looking for. The timing of this rediscovery is very important. The global traveler today is seeking meaningful journeys, cultural understanding, and emotional connection. Mass tourism is losing its appeal worldwide. In its place, cultural tourism is rising rapidly. And in this shift, civilizations like Armenia become highly relevant. Because Armenia does not need to create a story, it already has one. However, even the richest civilizations require structured global visibility. Without proper presentation, even the strongest cultural identities remain limited in reach. This is where organized efforts become essential. To ensure that Armenia's heritage is not just preserved locally but recognized globally, in this evolving global narrative, the India Armenia Tourism Culture Heritage and Hospitality Promotion Foundation is playing a significant role. As a dedicated international initiative, it is focused on bringing Armenia's cultural story to global platforms, connecting Armenia with India and Asian audiences, creating structured awareness across tourism, heritage, and hospitality sectors. This is not about promotion alone, it is about presenting a civilization to the world with clarity, respect, and purpose. Armenia is not just a destination to visit, it is a civilization to understand. And as the world continues to search for meaning in travel, Armenia stands ready not as trend but as a timeless experience. This is not just rediscovery, this is global recognition in progress. Some cultures are remembered, others are experienced. Armenia is meant to be experienced. Goodbye, friends.